this side Eliza, anchor at DNV Business Consulting, and today I am at Deepak Polyplast Private Limited, and here I am sitting with Chief Innovator of Deepak Polyplast, Mr. Deepak Israni. So let's have a conversation with him.
Hello everyone.
So sir, I welcome you to the podcast.
Thank you.
वेल अगर हम बात करें आपके बिजनेस के बारे में और आपकी ये जर्नी के बारे में, तो कैसी ये जर्नी रही है और कैसे इस बिजनेस की शुरुआत हुई?
See, basically, I belongs to government job oriented family, so it was a very tough beginning in the business. Even I was also working with the government.
Okay.
For 4 years, I worked with the central government, and then I left my job and started my own business. Starting was done with a very small scale. In '97, we converted our small company into private limited company, and after that, actual journey began for the business, you can say. Then after that, we never looked back. Almost every year, we were having good growth, and then in 2009, we got collaborated with one German company.
Okay.
Then we kept on growing with in terms of infrastructure, in terms of turnover, in terms of machinery and everything. And today we reached here with a good infrastructure. You can say in our kind of industry, normally this kind of infrastructure in India, no one else is having in terms of machinery, in terms of plant, or in terms of everything. And we are looking forward for the good business in future.
Yeah. So what is this all business about?
Basically, we are, you can say, very specific plastic industry as our customer. I mean, we deal with the plastic machinery majorly, and we make testing equipments for plastics, textiles, rubber, but majorly we work, almost 90% of the share in our business is from plastic industry.
Okay.
And now recently we started diversifying ourselves into the food industry, into the pharma industry, and let us see, hope for the good business in that.
So what are the challenges that you faced in your business?
See, challenges, being a man from the government job oriented family, it was very difficult to make an organized organization. I mean, business was not in our blood, and we were typical Sarkari Babus in our family.
So you are the first one.
This business was initiated by me only, and you can say on each and every step, almost financial hurdles was there, plus infrastructure we were not having. Other than that, you can say accessibility to the market. I mean, acceptance of the market was very difficult for us to gain, but slowly and gradually we were able to do it and gain it. And today we have, I mean, you can say, good name in the market, and people knows us at least as a good manufacturer.
Yeah. And sir, DNV ने कैसे help करी जो भी challenges थे उसको overcome
See,
करने के लिए?
basically, I'll tell you one thing, that we reached up to this level with the own efforts. I mean, it was company owned by us, and we were putting a lot of efforts to run the show, and plus to gain the business or increase the business. But last year we could realize that we are lacking somewhere. I mean, if we want to grow more than this, we have to convert this company as a professional company, and we have to adopt some good, you can say, what do you call it, policies in the organization, or like HR system, or you can say reporting system in the organization. Those things were missing in the organization, and DNV helped us to develop those things, and slowly and gradually, one by one, department was improving, and we were able to achieve good results. And almost, you can say, now HR is running with I can say almost 90% things are streamlined, and we are not supposed to get involved into it. System itself is responding and giving the results.
Yeah.
And Even on the plant side, 5S is also implemented up to, you can say, 60%. 40% I hope within next few months it will be completed. And uh, but I'll tell you one thing, after adopting these things, whenever customer comes to our place, he say wow by seeing the factory.
Yeah.
We feel happy about it.
Absolutely.
And now they started supporting us for the developing the system for the marketing also. So it's an ongoing journey, and we are getting good support from them. And normally, being a mid-sized company or small-sized company, it is very difficult for us to create an infrastructure for each and every aspect. So for that, we need some additional support from outside, where we found DNV is a very good supportive partner to us.
Okay, all right. सर आपका आगे अब क्या विजन है इस बिजनेस को लेके?
एक बिजनेसमैन का क्या विजन हो सकता है?
कि आगे इसे और ग्रो किया जाए.
To grow more and more and earn more and more, and keep myself and my team happy.
Yeah, absolutely. And sir, how do you feel? जैसे आपने बताया कि गवर्नमेंट बैकग्राउंड को ही सब बिलोंग करते थे, तो कैसा फील होता है आपको कि आपने कुछ अलग किया और एक इतना बड़ा बिजनेस आपने खड़ा किया?
See, बहुत खुशी होती, क्योंकि people within the family also appreciating like anything. I mean,
Yeah.
they always say that nobody could do it and you could manage to do it.
Absolutely.
So we feel happy about it.
And sir, जो ऑलरेडी इस इंडस्ट्री में है, उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
See, मैं इंडस्ट्री के जितने भी दूसरे मैन्युफैक्चरर, even our competitors are same kind of industry who are owning, I'll say only one thing: try to be honest with the industry.
Yeah, that is really important.
And if you want to grow, you have to work with the system. I mean, you have to make your organization system based, not owner based.
Yeah.
You have to forget about the ownership of the organization. Single owner based organization is not, I mean, decision making should be on the policy based, not ownership based.
Yeah.
So if they adopt such kind of things, definitely they are also going to grow, and that's how India also will keep on growing.
Yeah. And how do you feel working with DNV?
DNV, as I said, they are the excellent partners, or you can say supportive external partners. Wherever we need the support for building the system inside the organization, they are always there to support us.
Okay, sir. So, sir, it was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
It
you
was-
very much. Thanks for coming.
So this was a very beautiful journey of Mr. Deepak Israni, and if you like this content and want to see such more content, then do not forget to follow us.